So everybody, this is our train station. The train turns up here twice a week. So that's our train. Well, good morning everybody. We're up at Picnic Point, which is a very, very popular tourist spot. And as you could imagine, being Picnic Point, it's got lookouts and all that sort of thing. Now we've been here a couple of times before, but never down this area. Didn't even know this area existed. So it's a lot more open than what we're used to. There's probably lots of critters to chase. Can't see any signs of critters. They're really pulling because there's a doggy down there. And they want to get to that doggy. But it's only a little doggy. I think it's like a Yorkie or something. But they really want it. There's all these smells. Lots of smells. Of course, it's really hard on my knees because I just want to bolt, not worry about Daddy, that he can just be dragged along. Plus they're really, really eager because I've been in the car for a while, probably about half an hour. So they're really keen to get out and about. They knew something was happening and were getting disappointed that they were stuck in the car. Thank goodness for trees. They give me a little bit of a reprieve because they stop. Otherwise it's all go, go, go. Crazy critters. And somebody's been very nice enough to leave all these water containers all around. Are you laughing at us? A couple of kookaburras, I don't know if it caught them. There they are. Laughing at us. And I'm a bit shaky because somebody's decided to wind me up in the lead and knock the bucket over. Gee, I didn't do that, Dad. Oh, I fried it for the next doggy. How about putting it underneath the dripping tap too? Was that why the kookaburras were laughing? Because you kicked the bucket over. And that's the next community over, called Whitcott. We used to get our doggy food down there. Every time we came up to visit Mum, we'd get a couple of bags of dog food from the produce place because it was a lot cheaper. But they've all closed down. It was only a small little place, wasn't it? It was more for hobby farms. Supplies, nothing big. And I think a lot of the hobby farms have probably been bought out or closed down. It's too hard to look after animals in drought. Nice big, tall gum trees. No koalas, kookaburras. Magpies. Oh, good jump, big boy. You gonna do the same? Yep, there she goes. And there's our highway coming up to Toowoomba there. And all the cars travelling really, really slowly, trying to get up the hill. There's another crossing which goes on the other, out the back there. You can see it over there, where the rain shower is, kind of. So it goes out the back, way over there, and that is for the trucks. So it's a very expensive toll road, and it's brand spanking new. Opened last year, July last year or so. You can see that, yes, we do get rain, but not past the mountains. Or the rain ends up bypassing us. And we took this opportunity because today is cloudy and tomorrow it's supposed to be hot and sunny for pretty much for the rest of the next couple of weeks. So we took the opportunity to go on this lovely big hike while we can. There's a marker of some sorts. That's how high up we are. I mean, that's not sea level, of course, but and we've still got to go up. We're getting up, going up slowly. Doggies are all tired. I've got to learn to start from the bottom and then go up, because they pull, and not start from the top and then get pulled all the way down the hill, slipping and sliding. And you can see here what they do with the underbrush. Now this is our risk, this mountain range here. This is our fire risk. If this goes up, ooh, yeah, Toowoomba will be in trouble. But lucky enough, it's fairly low because it's been burnt. And that's what they do in this area. You can see that some of the trees are all burnt down the bottom. But they don't let the fire go up more than about 1 metre. So 3 feet. See, these are all burnt too. But they don't let the fire go up the tree. And that's what's happened in New South Wales and Victoria. They weren't maintaining the undergrowth. And so the whole, just a match or a cigarette thrown out the window. Some probably started by campers more than likely. And away she goes. Because it's all dry and, well, this isn't. This is lovely and green since we had our rain. It's a bit dry down there on the slopes. And so, as you can see, it's all low. And you can hear the chainsaws going, so they are maintaining it even now as we speak. That road is so much better now that they've put in that diversion for the trucks. I'm surprised local businesses were for it, because the amount of through business that would have been coming through Toowoomba. But I guess it's one of those things where Toowoomba is now big enough that the population is able to support all the shops, local shops. So now there's only little trucks going up. I only saw one B double going up, which is a truck with 2 trailers, and I own a B trailer. Oh, this is getting hilly. Luckily somebody's pulling me up the hill. He does all the work, most of the work. She's a stronger or more endurance than what he does, but he's the one that does all the work. Little slacker. And she's off to my left, not pulling. He's pulling me up. Good boy. Oh. That's a good hike all the way. And not one koala to see.